it in earlier. Ready? There you go. Getting cabana.
Oh, okay, thank you.
This is my first day here in the Hipa Creek. I'm with Hogan family.
Good boy.
Puppy! 7.
Got the salad.
Take it in earlier. Ready? There you go.
Here again. Ella, Ella. Oh, she can, baby.
Sit.
She can. Oh, you good dog. Good. We fill up her water. You use the card here, the buy water. Finally, I'm here na in the Texas, Queensland borders of New South Wales and Queensland. 4 nights to stay here. This is a free camping here. This
This is the solar.
oh, solar din ano. Ay, ang galing no. Kaya pala mag-shower every day. Pag naubusan, na, yan. Alugan lang. Another one motorhome to arrive. Is a king parrot wild bird. It's beautiful bird. Dito na kami sa Inglewood. 2 night kami rito mag-i-stay. Tapos yun, ikot-ikot muna kami sa town. Tingin-tingin dito. Napaka tahimik nitong town na ito. Tapos picture muna bago magluto kami ng aming dinner.
Hello.
Tapos mamaya mapuktol ano. Lagatok na. Ha?
That is full now. You finish that lunch?
Good dinner. Big fire.
Aray ko. Ganito ginagawa namin sa camping. Lakad kami ng lakad.
Tell her the worker is.
Mal! What's? Say to hello to my followers in the YouTube.
Hello. Hello, followers.
Papunta na kami ngayon sa Buna. 2 night kami dyan. Pang ano na namin, pang 2 weeks. Tapos uwi na kami ng bahay. Tapos yan, nag-a-assemble na rin sila sa labas ng caravan saka motorhome. Nagliligpit na para makauwi na ng bahay. Oh, bak, camping girl ka na talaga. Wow. After 2 weeks, yan, pauwi na kami ng bahay. Tapos naghiwalay na din kami nila Tim at Shirley and AG. Kaya ito yung way na pauwi sa amin.